So let we take any point x0, y0 belongs to S, be any arbitrary point, that is any point in the set S. So clearly x0 is greater than 0. Why it is x0 is greater than 0? By definition of the set S, the point xy belongs to S such that x is greater than 0. So here the point x0, y0 belongs to S means the x0 is greater than 0. So we take this x0 is equal to r. Since x0 is positive, we take positive radius r is equal to x0. Defining the open ball with centered at x0, y0, r is equal to all such a point xy belongs to Rn such that square root of x minus x0 square plus y minus y0 square is less than r. We have to prove that this b x0 y0 r is a subset of S. b x0 y0 is subset of S. आता हा त्याचा सबसेट केव्हा होईल? सबसेट केव्हा असतो? जेव्हा एका सेट मधला प्रत्येक पॉइंट हा दुसऱ्या सेटमध्ये असतो तेव्हा पहिला सेट हा दुसऱ्या सेटचा सबसेट असतो. A is a subset of B means what? Every point of A is in the set B. Then only A is subset of B. Here we have to prove that B x0 y0 r is subset of S means every point of B is in the set S. So take xy belongs to B x0 y0 r. Be any arbitrary point in that open ball. So by definition of open ball, the distance between these 2 points, that is norm of xy minus x0 y0 is less than r. So by definition of norm, it is square root of x minus x0 square plus y minus y0 square is less than r. Okay, but consider modulus of x minus x0. Now modulus of x minus x0 is equal to square root of x minus x0 square. Since square and square root will cancel and here only remain x minus x0. Modulus gives you positive value. So modulus of x minus x0 is equal to square root of x minus x0 bracket square. This term is less than or equal to this square root. Since this square root is addition of these two terms. So square root of first term is less than or equal to this addition, and the square root of x minus x0 square plus y minus y0 square, this term is less than r. Therefore, obviously, this modulus of x minus x0 is less than r. By definition of modulus, we get minus r is less than x minus x0 is less than r. This is learned in first semester and second semester also. Remember? Okay. So adding x0 from each terms, we get x0 minus r is less than x is less than r plus x0. From this condition, we get x is greater than x0 minus r. X is greater than x0 minus r. Right? Therefore, the points x, y belongs to S. Get it? No? Okay. Last line of that, this x is greater than x0 minus r. But what is the value of r? R is equal to x0. So substituting r is equal to x0, we get x is greater than 0. And by definition of S, the x coordinate is greater than 0, then the point xy belongs to that set S. Here we take the point xy in, here we take the point xy in the open ball B x0 y0 r, and this point is lies in the set S. This xy is any arbitrary point in that open ball. Therefore, clearly we get the B x0 y0 r is subset of S for every xy belongs to S. Therefore, S is an open set. Okay. Now, closed set in Rn. Now, what is closed set? It is exactly opposite to open set. Let S is a subset of Rn. any non-empty subset of Rn. Then S is said to be closed set in Rn if S C ह्या S च्या डोक्यावर जो काही C लिहिलेला आहे याला म्हणायचं S कॉम्प्लिमेंट. S complement is open in Rn. If S complement is open in Rn, then S is the closed set. Now, what is S complement? Mean opposite of that set S. Now consider set S is equal to xy belongs to R2 such that x is less than or equal to 0 is closed subset of Rn. This set is closed. If this set is closed, then its complement is open in Rn. Now complement of this set S is equal to what? S complement is equal to all such points xy belongs to R2 such that exactly opposite of this condition x is less than or equal to 0. Opposite condition of x is less than or equal to 0 is x is greater than 0. So the set S complement contains all the points xy belongs to R2 x greater than 0. And previously we proved the set S complement is open set. Okay, get it? Clear the idea about closed set in Rn? Okay.